Welcome back to Bike Updater. While we usually cover two-wheel beasts, today we are switching gears to bring you the king of all trucks, the BelAZ 75710. This is no ordinary machine, it's the world's biggest dump truck, built to move mountains. Let's dive into what makes this mechanical giant a true engineering marvel. Design and styling. The BelAZ 75710 doesn't just break records, it redefines what size means in the world of haul trucks. With its massive, boxy frame, dual-axle design, and 8 wheels, it measures over 20 meters long and nearly 10 meters tall. Designed specifically for large-scale mining operations, every inch of this truck is engineered for strength, stability, and maximum payload. It's not pretty, but it doesn't have to be. It's all about raw power and function. Engine and performance. Under the hood, or rather, under the massive chassis, the BelAZ 75710 packs two 65-litre 16-cylinder diesel engines, each generating 2,300 horsepower. Together, they deliver a jaw-dropping 4,600 HP, enough to haul a 450-ton payload with ease. It may look slow, but for its size, it moves with surprising efficiency, thanks to a sophisticated electromechanical transmission system. Features and technology. The BelAZ 75710 isn't just brawn, it's brainy too. It comes with advanced onboard diagnostics, automatic fire suppression, climate-controlled cabins, and electronic stability systems. Its unique four-wheel hydraulic steering system allows the massive vehicle to maneuver tighter turns than you'd expect, which is crucial in tight mining sites. The fuel system can even switch between engines to optimize efficiency. Conclusion. The BelAZ 75710 isn't just the biggest truck in the world, it's a symbol of what's possible when engineering meets ambition. Whether you're a mining industry expert or just someone fascinated by colossal machines, this beast is guaranteed to impress. That's all for today from Bike Updater. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more epic vehicle breakdowns. See you in the next one.